Well. Good afternoon, everybody. Man, oh man, it has been one heck of a day, but a good day. A good day. You know, sometimes in business, if we're honest, sometimes in business, some days are better than others. Every day is not a great day. But here's what I've learned over the years. We just got to realize that if everything was perfect, there would be no need to pray. You know what I mean? So it's been a good day, and sometimes challenges are good, right? Let me just kind of tell you what's going on here at ACA. We're about to open up another part of the industry that we want to make available to our clients and our friends and our family. And we're just doing our due diligence to make sure we do it right. So for those of you all that are clients of ours or future clients, we're going to speak this into existence. We're going to announce some stuff that I think is going to help you and your family. And ACA has always been the company that cares. And we want to make sure that we help you, serve you better. That's really what this is all about, serving you better. So good afternoon. I don't have my glasses on, but it looks like Erica, Maria, Kalinda, Shelly. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. So I'm just going to talk just a few minutes today about why I got involved in the insurance business, why I got involved, why this industry, and in particular, why ACA. Why did I get involved in this industry, right? Coming out of Xerox, for those of y'all that don't know, I used to work with Xerox for 7 years, and I needed to find something else to do to generate more income for myself. So I did like everybody else. I went and got a job in retailing. All right, I was working at Marlowe Furniture. For those of y'all in the DMV, y'all know where that is. And the bottom line is, I was working late, you know what I mean, getting home 10:30, 11 o'clock, and you know, just wasn't making a lot of money, and there's always complaints. So a fraternity brother of mine said, man, you should take a look at financial services, and I didn't know anything about it, and I said, you know what, why not, right? So I went home, you know, before I did anything like that, I always used to talk to my parents first, and they say, well, Anthony, if you think you can do it, go for it. So I went for it, and here we are, 30 years later. This is all I do every day, all day, eat, sleep, and drink, the insurance industry. But as I got into it, initially I got into it just to make money. That's the bottom line. With another organization that Sandra Barrett and I worked together for 7 years. Then I joined ACA back in 1997, and this is where I've been ever since, right? And of course, everybody in the world wants you to join the team. Everybody makes all these different promises, but ACA stood to its word, the integrity of the leadership, you know, that family atmosphere. Making decisions that's good for the agents, not just good for the client. That's why I stayed with ACA all these years. I never thought I was going to ever be a president of American Classic Agency. Sometimes I still pinch myself when people say, Mr. President. I don't get hung up in titles. My job is to serve, and to serve the people in the DMV as well as abroad, and bring on other partners so that we can really change the world. That's really what we're trying to do here at ACA, is change the world of $1.5 billion of future tax-free transferable wealth back into the communities that we live in, that we serve. That's our mission statement, income protection, and get people out of debt. See, if we protect the income and get people out of debt, then we can start creating a financial legacy. So that's what we do here. You know, we strategically design programs to protect people's income, get people out of debt, and create financial legacies. You all know what's going on. If you watch the news at all in the last few days, a lot of people were worried about the government shutdown. And I've had some of my clients who personally called me. They were concerned. They work in the government, whatever. But two of them in particular, of course, I'm not calling their names. They were calling. They were concerned. I pulled up their programs and said, what are you worrying about? And they say, well, you know, it may shut down, whatever, I got to pay my bills. I said, listen, you started overfunding your program 7 years ago, right? You were overfunding it like we suggested. And now you have over $35,000 in your program. If the government shuts down, for you, it's going to be more of a vacation, because you have enough money that you can go and have access to with no questions asked. You could feel the sigh of relief on the phone. That's what we do with folks, right? Create your own private banking system that nobody can touch it, right? So that's what we do here at American Classic Agency, right? We're growing, we're looking to expand all across the country. And so let me tell you a little bit about the insurance industry. A lot of people talk about insurance and this and that, and because they don't understand what it really does. You know what I mean? But think about it like this. There are 137 million individual life insurance policies in force right now. 137 million, right? So when people complain about the life insurance industry, see, everybody complains till it's time to collect, right? We don't like paying our premiums. Some people rather pay insurance on a cell phone than protect their life, right? Think about that for a minute, right? So the life insurance industry contributes $7.9 trillion, trillions with the T, into the United States economy. If you take that out, you think things are bad now? You think things were bad with COVID? You think things were bad when the stock market crashed? If you take out the investment of the life insurance industry, things would be 10 times worse. $587 million, right, back into the economy. That is the largest source of investment capital that keeps the country going, right? There are two worlds. You have Wall Street and you have the insurance industry, right? Insurance industry is the backbone of the country, right? When things are bad, you know, the insurance companies were built for times when things are tough. You got reserves. That means claims are going to be paid, right? Claims are going to be paid on a daily basis. Here's the thing, right? Life insurers pay $2.5 billion in benefits every single day. Let me repeat that. The life insurance industry pays $2.5 billion per day in benefits. Now, what do I mean by benefits? It could be disability. It could be a death benefit. It could be an accelerated benefit rider. It could be terminal illness coverage. It could be chronic illness coverage. It could be critical illness coverage every single day. So just imagine if they didn't do that. You know, it could be a claim on car insurance, whatever it is. Those are hardcore facts that the insurance industry does. If you don't believe me, go to acli.org and look it up for yourself. And click the state that you live in, and you will see what your state contributes. Right? So this is the industry to be in, y'all. Get involved in the financial service and the insurance industry. We are changing lives. And here's something else. 2.8 million jobs are created by the life insurance industry. 2.8 million, right? So what you know, who works for insurance companies? You got actuaries, you got claims people, you got customer service people, you got new business people. I mean, all of this is through the insurance industry. So we contribute a lot to the economy. And we ought to be proud. That's why I got involved in the industry. I looked at that years ago. I said, man, we're not just here to make money. People depend on us. People depend on the contributions that we make to the overall economy, right? So for anybody that turns their nose up at the insurance industry, we need to talk. Because I could show you some stuff that could change your life. I don't know of anywhere I could sit with somebody for 30 to 40 minutes and offer them a product that we can guarantee that it's going to do what it says it's going to do, whether we hear or not. Only life insurance could do that. An investment can't do that because there are no guarantees. If I buy $1 million life insurance policy, it's going to pay $1 million, period. No questions asked. I don't know of any other vehicle that can do that, right? So this is National Retirement Month. It's also disability. For those who don't have disability income, we got to start thinking about what would happen if we didn't make it home from work tomorrow, or worse, if we made it home from work tomorrow, but we can't go back to work the next day. So one of my business partners, Bob Siegel, always uses this example, and I love this example. If you had a machine in your basement, and that machine only source was to print money, Would you put a maintenance plan in place, or would you protect it so it could print that money? And I guarantee you everybody's going to say yes, right? Your biggest asset is your ability to earn income, period. Not your home, not your Rolex watch, not your car, not your bank account. Your ability to produce income is your greatest thing you got going for yourself. That has to be protected. And only insurance can do that, whether it's disability or permanent or term life insurance that had living benefits, terminal illness, chronic illness, critical injury, Alzheimer's coverage, even fertility journey coverage. So that's what we're doing here at ACA. Our doors are always open at 7375 Executive Place, Suite 300 in Lanham, Maryland, 20706, or give us a call at 301-794-4290. We're located right off of Greenbelt Road. All you got to do is pull up, you see the name on the building. So we are here to stay. We ain't going nowhere. And we are here to serve you and your family. So tell people about us. For those y'all that are policy holders, look forward to an announcement coming out. We're going to do our client appreciation the 4th Monday in January. We want to tell you everything else that's going on in the industry, keep you updated so that you can be prepared and you can pass that on from generation to generation. So that's why I got involved in the insurance industry. That's why I'm doing it here with American Classic Agency. And I am having the time of my life, if you can't tell. Every day I have one problem. I can't sleep at night because I can't wait to wake up the next day and do it all over again. That's the only problem I have about this industry. So, but anyway, Team ACA, that's who we love. We are the company that cares. That's our slogan, and we show it to our clients and our policyholders on a day-to-day basis. Thank you all for your time today. I'll see you all next Tuesday, same time, same place. I don't know what the top is going to be yet, but one other thing, we care so much in our community. You know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. All of us know somebody's been affected by that. As an organization, we are coming together to show that we stand in support for anyone or any family member that has had to deal with breast cancer. So every Thursday on our national training call, I ask all of our agents to wear pink, to wear something pink that day. Even if you're going to work at your regular 9 to 5 or whatever, just have on pink and think about American Classic Agency, how we stand in the gap for those who had to deal with breast cancer. So I will have on my pink on Thursday at 10 o'clock, the following Thursday, the following Thursday, the following Thursday. It's already laid out, and that's what I'm going to be doing, because I don't believe in doing anything unless I do it first as a leader. Thank you all for your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.